Chicken Biryani, recipe servings, 4 to 6, prep time 30 minutes, cooking time 1 hour. Ingredients. For the rice, 2 cups basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes, 6 cups, water 2 to 3 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp lemon juice. For the chicken marinade, 500-gram chicken, bone-in 1 to 2 cup yogurt, 1 tbsp ginger garlic paste, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1-2 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp garam masala powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp cumin powder, 1 tsp salt, 1 tbsp lemon juice. For the biryani masala, 3 tbsp oil or ghee, 1 large onion, sliced 2 tomatoes, chopped 2 green chilies, slit 1.2 cup mint leaves, 1.2 cup coriander leaves, 1.2 tsp shahi jeera, black cumin, 1 tsp biryani masala powder, 1.2 tsp salt. For layering and garnishing, 1.4 cup fried onions, a few strands of saffron soaked in 2 tbsp warm milk, 2 tbsp ghee, 1 tsp rose water or kura water. Instructions. Step 1. Cook the rice. In a large pot, boil 6 cups of water with salt, cardamoms, cloves, bay leaf, and cinnamon. Add soaked basmati rice and cook until it's 70% cooked. Grains should still be slightly firm. Drain the rice and set aside. Step 2. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix chicken, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, spices, lemon juice, and salt. Cover and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, overnight for better flavor. Step 3. Cook the chicken. Heat oil tiachin ghee in a pan. Add sliced onions and fry until golden brown. Add shahi jeera, green chilies, and chopped tomatoes. Cook until tomatoes turn soft. Add the marinated chicken and cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is tender. Stir in biryani masala powder, salt, mint, and coriander leaves. Cook for another 5 minutes. Step 4. Layer the biryani. In a heavy-bottomed biryani pot, spread a layer of half the cooked rice. Add all the cooked chicken with its gravy. Layer the remaining rice on top. Sprinkle fried onions, saffron milk, ghee, and rose kura water. Step 5. Dum cooking. Steam cooking. Cover the pot with a tight lid or seal, with dough to trap the steam. Cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. You can place a tava griddle underneath the pot for even heat. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Gently fluff up the biryani and serve hot with raita, yogurt sauce, salad, and boiled eggs if desired. Tips for the best biryani. Use aged basmati rice for perfect long grains. Marinate chicken overnight for the best flavor. Dum cooking is key. It enhances aroma and taste. Fried onions, birista. Add deep flavor. Don't skip them. Enjoy your delicious homemade biryani. Let me know if you want a mutton or vegetable biryani recipe too.